Hey everyone, it's Keegan, and this is going to be speech number 12 for the Ron Paul Curriculum Public Speaking course. Now, in this speech, I want to cover a folktale that has a very known well lesson, and it teaches us a moral. The most well-known thing I could think of is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Most people know about The Boy Who Cried Wolf, but for those who don't, I am going to tell the story real quick. It goes like this. There was once a shepherd boy who liked to play tricks. One day, while he was watching over the herd, the boy decided to play a trick and cried out, "Woof, woof!" Everyone that heard the boy rushed over to help, but they were disappointed when they saw there was no wolf, and the boy just sat there and laughed at them. The next day, he played the same trick, and it had the same outcome. There was only disappointed people and no wolf. On the third day, the boy saw the wolf devouring one of his sheep, and he cried out for help. But the people heard him, and they thought it was only another one of his pranks. That day, he lost several of his sheep to the wolf. So the moral of this story is pretty obvious, but let's elaborate. If you're always lying and you're always cheating on other people, eventually they're going to stop forgiving you. There is a moral for everyone here that needs to be heard because everyone wants to lie nowadays, including me. You can't continue to lie because the time's going to come eventually that when you tell the truth, no one will know.